Our contestant number 5. Number 4. Yeah, Bone 69.
Hi,
Wow.
Nico. Thank you for the follow. Ayun.
Is she portraying Storm? Isn't she?
Hindi. Actually, pangalan niya. Wait lang. Kalimutan ko din.
Ay, ma'am.
Hindi, parang Snow Kineme. Nakalimutan. Nasa GC.
Mga
Nasa
host
GC.
nyo, pagpasaysahan nyo na, bangag pa kagabi.
Oo.
Alright?
Baka ba eh.
At least do welcome Bone 69, everybody. Ate Bones, you can ramp your question now.
Yes.
So our
Ba't
judges,
wala akong timer talaga?
please don't be alarmed. She's
Na-starstruck
contestant
naman ako sa
number
mga
4.
kineme. Alright. Sorry, mali ako ng ano. Bangag ata ako talaga eh. Lutong tayo, guys.
Alright, she's Bone 69, everybody. Ang ganda ng costume niya. Hindi ko kinakaya yung pamumuti.
Oo
Nang
nga.
lahat na feel na yung pati yung mata nito puti, ma'am. I can feel it. And wow! Alright, that was Bone 69, everybody. Please be prepared to Bone 69 gifters out there.
Yes.
The final minute is approaching, guys. You can drop your love and support to your Bone 69 after the final hour. Before the final hour, I should say.
Kabado na.
Kabado na. Huwag kayong kabahan. Kasi kami, kinakabahan din. Alright, huwag kayong kabahan, guys. Huwag kayong kabahan. Enjoy lang natin to. Alright, that was Bone 69. Ang ganda ng costume niya. Napaka-sexy nito. Babaeng ito. Parang gusto kong liigan. Charot. Ganda!
You can drop your support now.
Yes, you can show your love and support to Ate Bone 69. Start bid for her for a chance to change her name and or her avatar. All right.
Man, come on. Sakit ng ulo ko. 24, 23, 22.
Right. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.